Language is always and everywhere. It is in every conversation, every message you send, and every sentence you hear or read.
Dit is Radboud Science Snacks.
Language is at the heart of our thinking and our technology. But how do we learn language? And how do we process and understand what we hear, what we see and what we read? And how does language influence our behavior? That is exactly what you can find out in our research master, Linguistics and Communication Sciences.
What makes this program unique is the balance between an academic framework on the one hand and the freedom to choose your own specialization on the other hand. In the required courses, you will gain a solid foundation in the field of language and communication research in general and the necessary methodological skills. For the elective courses, you can choose to focus on theoretical and practical methods that you like.
The internships are a clear highlight of the study program. We call them lab rotations. So here you get the opportunity to join a research project that aligns with your interests and study specialization. And you also have a lot of freedom where you do your lab rotations. So for example, I chose to do mine at the Center for Language Studies at Radboud, but others choose to do them at, for example, the Max Planck Institute for Psycholinguistics or Donders Institute for Cognitive Neuroscience, which are both research institutes located on or near Radboud campus.
With all these electives, you can specialize in one of our 3 profiles or choose a combination. Our first profile, Communication and Language Behavior, focuses on questions like how do we use language in social settings? And what does our communication say about our behavior? In this profile, you explore the dynamics of language in interaction, such as in job interviews and in doctor-patient conversations.
In the specialization Language Processing and Acquisition, you will learn about how language works in the brain. You will learn about how we process language, how we learn language as children and as adults, and how learning disabilities work. And you will acquire the skills and the theory you need to research these topics.
The language and speech technology specialization is all about machines that understand and respond to human language.
Like me. For example, you can explore topics like how machine language works, how is it different from human language, and how are conversational technologies impacting our daily lives.
Hey, those were my lines.
I currently work at ACBO, which is the Expertise Center of Vocational Education in the Netherlands, and I conduct research to improve the language education in Dutch schools. I'm a researcher, so I use a lot of research skills, analytical skills, writing skills, and also some data analysis that I learned during the master. And also the knowledge about language acquisition and multilingualism and how that works is really valuable. So after the research master, you can go into many different directions. Many of my fellow students pursued a career in academia and they applied for PhD positions in the Netherlands or abroad. So this research master also gives you a solid foundation for a career outside of academia.
So, are you curious about how language works and motivated to answer complex scientific questions? Then this research master will help you to follow your own path within the world of language and communication.